Hey everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. November is here. We are grateful and thankful for the opportunity to build brand new homes for you guys. Today we're going to take a look at a 14 by 56 2-bedroom, 1-bath. Here's the exterior of the home. We've got both doors on the same side. That works great for parks. And a lot of times you'll see the driveways are going to be up here going into the door of the home. So sometimes it's nice to have both doors on the same side. This first door is going to take us right into the living room. And then down there is going to take us into the utility room. Let's check it out. All right, here we go. We're standing in the living room here. This customer has opted to do a linoleum throughout. That's a thing. We can do that for you. No worries. Some people have pets and animals and they don't want carpet all over their house, or sometimes it's easier to get around in a wheelchair. Whatever you want to do, we can do. We have a thunder pattern on the floor, Casper cashmere on the wall. We see that a lot. Now guys, I just got some great news yesterday that we are going to be drywalling single wides again. So if you were waiting for that to come back, it's here. White trim at the top, white cabinets here. We did a modern look with the black handles on the cabinets up there. Microwave over the range. Now, some people don't know this, but it's a HUD rule that you have to be able to prepare food when this home ships out. So if you choose to, maybe you have your own stove you want to bring, you can remove the stove, but you have to get a microwave. Also, same thing with the refrigerator. We can't omit the refrigerator. Here we did a refrigerator shelf. You can also do a cabinet up there, whatever you want to do. Again, we've got the laminate backsplash. That's a very popular option. It's a great cost-effective way to protect your walls back there. Looks like this customer opted for the molded trim. We can do that too. We've got that in several different colors. We've got hardwood. We've also got a white wrap profile trim, which is a pressed wood that is wrapped in a vinyl wrapping. Easy to clean. Back here, just like we talked about before, this is the back door. We're going to be coming into the utility room. Lots of space here. We've got a shelf over the washer and dryer. We could also do washer dryer cabinets. Remember, this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath home. Main water shut off inside. Water shutoffs throughout. Gone are the days where you have to climb underneath your home just in case you have a water leak. Hey, everybody. Here's your bathroom. We did an over-the-commode linen. Standard tub shower. We could do a walk-in shower there. We got plenty of room. Coming down this way, this is the master bedroom. Probably lots of uses for that little nook right there. Could add some more, I would put more clothes there. Or shoes. Can the ladies relate? I'm sure they can. Heading back towards the other end of the home, let's see what we got down here. And going into the second bedroom. This bedroom's just as large as the last one, so you really could take your pick. Let's check out the closet. Vinyl, dual pane windows. They do tilt in for easy cleaning. Blinds come with it. In most homes. There are a few homes where you have to option it, but not in this one. Looks like the customer kept the gray trending going on, so looks really good. Thanks everybody for watching. My phone number's below.